In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video audio using Filmora, a fantastic tool for video editing. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, having clean and clear audio can make all the difference in your final product. So let's dive right into it and transform your audio experience. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're on the right track by heading over to Filmora, the software we'll be using today. Filmora offers a wide range of tools and is quite user-friendly, making it great for both beginners and professionals alike. Open up the Filmora application on your device. Once you're in, you should see your project files laid out in front of you. Let's focus on the video you'd like to edit. Now go ahead and double-click on the video you want to enhance. This simple action will bring up the settings panel on the right side of your screen, which is exactly what we need to start making our adjustments. Here, you'll find various options to tweak your video settings, but for the purpose of today's guide, let's zero in on the audio settings. You'll see an option labeled Audio. Click on it to expand this section. This is where you'll find a host of audio editing features that Filmora has to offer. Now scroll down through the settings until you find an option called Denoise. The Denoise feature is a powerful tool that can significantly reduce background noise, giving your audio a crisp and clear quality. It's particularly useful if you have any unwanted ambient noise in your recording. Once you've located the denoise option, you'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. Go ahead and toggle this feature on. When activated, Filmora's denoise will work its magic by filtering out any disruptive sounds from your video, resulting in a much cleaner audio track. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference, enhancing the listening experience for your viewers. And with that, you're done. With just a few clicks, you've managed to improve the quality of your video's audio substantially. It's amazing how these adjustments can elevate the overall professionalism of your video content. Whether you're creating videos for fun or for professional purposes, clean audio is key to engaging your audience. Remember, using tools like Filmora not only improves your current project, but also builds your skill set as an editor. So don't hesitate to explore more features and continually refine your editing skills. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.